Hello friends, how are you all? Today we are going to start your chapter exponent, and before this we have done our first exercise. In that exercise I told you about the laws of exponent, and today we are going to start our next topic, that is expressing large numbers in standard form. तो आज हम स्टार्ट करते हैं एक्सप्रेसिंग लार्ज नंबर इन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. तो लार्ज नंबर को स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में हम किस तरीके से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं? सो हेयर a given number is said to be in standard form if it can be expressed as k into 10 raised to the power n. That means किसी भी लार्ज नंबर को हम स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. कब कर सकते हैं? वो इस फॉर्म में होना चाहिए. इट शुड बी इन द फॉर्म k into 10 raised to the power n. नाउ हेयर व्हाट इज k? देखिए हमें समझना होगा ये k क्या है. सो वेयर k इज अ रियल नंबर. k क्या होगा इसमें? k इज एनी रियल नंबर. रियल नंबर कोई भी नंबर हो सकता है, लेकिन यह इस रियल नंबर में आपको एक कंडीशन होनी चाहिए, 1 लेसर देन इक्वल टू k लेसर देन 10. इसका मतलब है कि जो यहाँ पर 1 है, जो k है, इसकी वैल्यू या तो 1 के इक्वल होगी या फिर 1 से ग्रेटर होगी, लेकिन 10 से लेसर हो सकती है. दैट मीन्स 1 या 1 से ग्रेटर या 10 से लेसर. सो हेयर, और जो n है, n इज एनी पॉजिटिव इंटीजर, और n इसमें कोई भी एक पॉजिटिव इंटीजर हो सकता है. नाउ बाय टेकिंग दिस एग्जांपल, सो फर्स्ट एग्जांपल 270659. नाउ से अब देखिए, इसे जब हम एग्जांपल लेते हैं तो आपको इतना ध्यान रखना है कि जो ये हमारा स्टार्टिंग वाला नंबर है, इसके बाद हमें पॉइंट लेकर आना है. जब इसके बाद हम पॉइंट लेकर आएंगे तो आपको ये देखना है कि हम यहाँ पॉइंट लाएंगे तो पीछे से कितने बार काउंट कर रहे हैं. तो स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम हेयर 1 2 3 4 5, सो 2.70659. तो यहाँ 10 की पावर आ जाएगी 5. यहाँ पॉइंट लाने के लिए हम कितने डेसिमल पीछे की तरफ आए या फिर कितने डेसिमल लेफ्ट की तरफ आए? 1 2 3 4 5, सो 10 रेज टू द पावर 5. इट विल बी द आंसर. नाउ टेकिंग वन मोर एग्जाम्पल, 42750000. सो हेयर पॉइंट हमें 4 के बाद लेकर आना है, तो हम लिख सकते हैं 4.275. अब यहाँ जीरो को रिपीट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. सो 4.275 इंटू, तो यहाँ पॉइंट लाने के लिए 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, कितने टाइम पीछे की तरफ आए? 8 टाइम. सो 10 रेज टू द पावर 8. इट विल बी द आंसर. सो आफ्टर दिस सी नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. ओके, सो आवर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, नंबर्स इन एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म. नाउ से अब देखिए नंबर्स को हम एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म में किस तरीके से लिखते हैं. सो व्हेन द नंबर इज एक्सपेंडेड विद द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ इट्स प्लेस वैल्यू. अगर हमारा कोई भी नंबर इस तरीके से एक्सपेंड किया जाए कि हम उसे उसके प्लेस वैल्यू के प्रोडक्ट के साथ लिखें, so then it is said to be in expanded form. For example, let us take one example for this. Here 860437 so here ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 8 will be multiplied by this ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. So 8 into 10 lakh. Similarly, it will be written as 6 into ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. So 6 into 1 lakh. Similarly here 0. You can write for 0 or you can not write for 0, because when you multiply anything by 0 it will be 0. So we take as 4. So 4 it will be by 100,000 time. So after this 3 it will be 100 time. 72 7 it will be 10 time, and 2 it will be 1 time. Now after this 8. Now here there are 6 0 for this, so 10 raised to the power 6. Now 6 into here 5 zeros, so 5 raised to the power 10 raised to the power 5, and here 4 into 1000 means 4 into 10 raised to the power 3. Now 3 into 100 means 3 into 10 raised to the power 2, and 7 into 10 means 10 raised to the power 1, and 2 into 1 means 10 raised to the power 0. So in this way we can write any number in expanded form. So it is known as the expanded form. Now after this we are going to start our exercise. So in our exercise, see first question. Okay, so let's start our exercise. So in exercise 5b, see question number 1. In question number 1, express each of the following numbers in standard form. तो यहाँ हमें नंबर स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट करने हैं. सो फर्स्ट इज 538. So in 538 we can write here 5.38 into 10 raised to the power 2. क्योंकि हमें यहाँ 5 के बाद पॉइंट लाना है तो यहाँ से काउंट करेंगे पीछे की साइड 1 2. So 10 raised to the power 2. After this, see fourth point. In fourth we have 94000000000. There are 11 times 0. So here there are 10 zeros. So here we can write 9.4 into 10 raised to the power 11. When we come in left side, so point will come here and we have to count up to 11. So 9.4 into 10 raised to the power 11. Now remaining part you can try yourself. So after this, see question number 2. Express each of the following numbers in standard form. Here also we have to represent these numbers in standard form. So in first, diameter of earth. So diameter of earth we have given, that is 12756,000 meter. So here we can write, when we come left side, see we can write here 1.2756 into 10 raised to the power 7. As we come in left direction, so there will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 10 raised to the power 7 meter. Now after this, see its fourth part. In this fourth part we have given number of stars in the galaxy. So number of stars in the galaxy, here we have 10 total, 11 zeros are there. So here we can write 1 into 10 raised to the power 11. So in this way, remaining question you can try yourself. See, we can take one more question. Here we have given that we can take its fifth part. So here fifth part we have the present age of universe. So here the present age of universe, here we have given 1 2. So how many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 years. Okay, so here when we represent in standard form, we can write here 1.2 into 10 raised to the power, when we count from here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 10 raised to the power 10 years. So in this way we can do this question. Now after this, see next question. In question number 3 we have to tell, write the following numbers in expanded form. So we have to write here in expanded form. So after this, see question number 3. In question number 3 we have, write the following numbers in expanded form. तो यहाँ हमें ये नंबर एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म में लिखने हैं. फर्स्ट पार्ट वी हैव 684,502. So in expanded form we can write here 6 into 10 raised to the power 6. Here after 6 you can count them 1 2 3 4 5. So 10 raised to the power 5. Then plus, after this we have 8. So 8 into, after 8 how many numbers? 1 2 3 4. So here 10 raised to the power 4. Now after this plus 4 into 10 raised to the power, after 4 1 2 3. So 10 raised to the power 3. And after this plus 5 into 10 raised to the power 1 2. So 2. After this plus 0 into 10 raised to the power 1. You can write it, or if you will not write it then also it will be okay. And last 2 into 10 raised to the power 0. Here 10 raised to the power 0 means 1. As I told you in exponent form, the power of a 0, then it will be equal to 1. So when power of 10 is 0, then it will be equal to 1, and 2 into 1 will be 2. Now after this, see its third part we have. So in this third part we have given 5807294. So here by solving it, 5 into 10 raised to the power 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it will come 6 plus 8 into, after 8 1 2 3 4 5. So 10 raised to the power 5 plus 0 into 1 2 3 4. So 10 raised to the power 4 plus, after 7 3 digits are there. So 7 into 10 raised to the power 3 and 2 into 10 raised to the power 2. 9 into 10 raised to the power 1 and 4 into 10 raised to the power 0. So it will be the answer, and remaining part of this question you can try yourself. After this, see question number 4. In question number 4 we have to write the numeral whose expanded form is given below. So here हमें expanded form given है, हमें इन्हें नॉर्मल फॉर्म में लिखना है. सो इन दिस क्वेश्चन दैट इज सिंपल 6 इंटू 10 रेज़ टू द पावर 4 प्लस 3 इंटू 10 रेज़ टू द पावर 3 प्लस 0 इंटू 10 रेज़ टू द पावर 2 प्लस 7 इंटू 10 रेज़ टू द पावर 1 प्लस 8 इंटू 10 रेज़ टू द पावर 0. So here we can write 6 3 0 7 8. So 6 3 0 7 8, but you have to see that powers are in decreasing form, that is 10 power 4, 10 power 5, 10 power 2, 10 power 1 and 10 power 0. Then directly you can write 6 3 0 7 8. So it will be the answer. Now see its third part. 8 into 10 raised to the power 5 plus 6 into 10 raised to the power 4 plus 4 into 10 raised to the power 3 plus 2 into 10 raised to the power 2 plus 9 into 10 raised to the power 1 plus 6 into 10 raised to the power 0. So here also you can write 8 6 4 2 9 6. So 8 6 4 2 9 6. It will be the answer. So in this way we have completed our exercise, but you also have to do homework in this exercise. So I am giving you homework for this exercise. See, in this exercise you have to complete this exercise with solved example also. So all of you note down your homework. So your homework will be do exercise 5B and 5C also. See, exercise 5C is optional, and that exercise is related to your exercise 5A and 5B. Then you have to try this exercise. If you have any problem in these exercises, then you can ask your problem in comment box. So you have to do these two exercises and with solved examples also, with solved examples. So our chapter is finished, and in next session we are going to start our next chapter. So first of all, complete it, and you have to do all these questions in your fair notebook. So try to complete your work. So thank you for watching the video.